Okay, good morning. This is Friday, May 14th, 2021. This is video part 3, Under the Wings 41. Wings and sea monsters in progress here. The figure was drawn in 1997. And so I have, so far, all in pencil in terms of the sea monsters. Upper left, upper right, 3 more. And this morning, I drew a large one on the bottom here, making me think of Christian iconographic imagery like the Temptation of St. Anthony. And I opened up Jansen's History of Art, which I've had for many years. I think this is published in, I have to check the date, it might be 1969, back when I was 19, if that's the case. Schongauer, the Temptation of St. Anthony, and why not a Jewish counterpart to that Christian iconographic imagery? Also keeping in mind that Christian iconographic imagery of angels, as well as demons and other malevolent and or as well benevolent apparitions came out of the Jewish Bible, Jewish stories, the Torah. We don't use the term the Old Testament because it's racist, demeaning, condescending the Jewish people, and anti-Semitic. And anti-Semitism is at its base a hatred of Christianity as well. All right, to be continued. We'll see how this turns out as I begin doing in black India ink each sea monster one by one. This will take some days, especially with this one, because there's going to be a lot of line detail in there. All right, stay tuned.